One of the most popular and perhaps one of the simple and tasty North Indian paneer gravy based curry recipe which doesn't need any introduction. Yes, you guessed it right. Matar Paneer. This vegetarian dish is full of flavor and make an easy weeknight meal. Pair it with rotis, paratha or rice for a satisfying meal experience. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story and this is Meeta. So let's begin today's recipe and check the ingredients. And the ingredients are fresh paneer, with that, potato cut into cubes, green peas, cashew, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, green chilies, ginger cut into julienne, and our lovely red tomatoes. With that, some basic masala, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, sugar, and kasuri methi. Now let's begin today's recipe. First of all, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, add 2 tomato slices, 2 green chilies, then add 3 to 4 ginger slices, 50 grams of cashew, 2 to 3 green cardamom and 1 small cinnamon stick. Now fry it until it turns light brown from all the sides in a medium-high flame. After that, remove everything from the pan and place all this into a mixer grinder and make a fine paste. If needed, you can also add 2 tablespoons of water to make a fine paste. Once you remove everything from this pan, into that same oil add 1 potato, cut it into small pieces. Though I must inform you that if you don't want to add potato, you just ignore it. Fry this potato with little salt and turmeric powder until it turns golden in a medium-high flame. Again, you need to remove this potato and into that same oil we will cook further. After removing the potatoes from the pan, into that same oil add half teaspoon of cumin seed. If you think oil has reduced a lot, then you can also add some more oil. Now add the paste, keeping the flame very low or else it will stick at the bottom. Stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we need to add some basic masala, starting with salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now saute it until the spices turn aromatic in a very low flame. Now we need to add 1 cup of water into this gravy. You just add water into the mixer grinder, wash it properly and add that mixture too so that nothing go waste. Next, at this stage, add 100 grams of fresh green peas. After that, add the fried potatoes and our fresh 200 grams of paneer, cut it into small pieces. If you want, you can cut any other shape you want. At last, stir once again nicely, then switch the flame to low. Cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes or until the oils float at the top. Then check the potato and the paneer. If it is well done, switch off the flame and take 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi between the palms of your hands for the maximum flavor and add to your gravy. Then finally, serve in a serving bowl and serve this with roti, naan or paratha of your choice. So what do you think, my lovely viewers? Better than restaurant Matar Paneer and super easy to make? Then comment in my comment section below. And if you think today's recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes like this, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode of Cooking Story. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.